Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that has been shaping our world in recent years. The impact of artificial intelligence on society. AI has revolutionized various industries and aspects of our lives. But it has also raised important questions and concerns. So, let's take a closer look at how AI is influencing our society. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. But beyond convenience, what are the broader implications of this technology on society? AI and the Fourth Industrial Revolution. Welcome to the Fourth Industrial Revolution, where AI has become a driving force behind industrial automation. From assembly lines to warehouses, AI-driven machines are augmenting human capabilities, boosting productivity, and streamlining processes. The Fourth Industrial Revolution represents a new era of technological advancement, where AI is at the core of innovation. However, it's essential to address concerns about potential job displacement and focus on reskilling to ensure a workforce ready for the future. AI and personalized experiences. AI is the magic behind the personalized experiences we encounter every day. From curated recommendations on streaming platforms to virtual assistants anticipating our needs, AI is shaping how we interact with technology. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can predict user preferences, providing tailored content and services. This enhances user satisfaction. But we must strike a balance to avoid excessive data usage and potential privacy issues. For example, let's look at AI in the workplace. One significant aspect of AI's impact is its influence on the workplace. Let's see how AI is changing the job landscape and affecting workers worldwide. AI has led to increased automation, allowing repetitive tasks to be handled by machines, which can boost productivity. However, this also raises concerns about job displacement and the need for upskilling to stay relevant in the workforce. Also, AI in healthcare. The healthcare industry is another area where AI is making waves. Let's explore the ways AI is transforming healthcare and patient outcomes. AI is helping doctors with faster and more accurate diagnoses, predicting disease trends, and even developing personalized treatment plans. But we must ensure proper data privacy and address ethical concerns surrounding AI in healthcare. Let's talk about AI and privacy. As AI becomes more prevalent, so does the collection and utilization of personal data. How is AI impacting our privacy? AI relies on data to improve its algorithms, which can lead to concerns about data security and potential misuse of personal information. Striking the right balance between AI advancements and privacy regulations are crucial for a harmonious society. Take a look at AI and bias. AI algorithms are designed to be impartial, but they can inadvertently carry human biases. In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, one force stands out: artificial intelligence. From revolutionizing industries to reshaping our everyday lives, AI's impact on society is undeniable. Let's examine the issue of AI bias and its impact on society. AI learns from the data it receives. And if the data is biased, the outcomes can be biased as well. This can perpetuate social inequalities and discrimination, highlighting the need for diverse and inclusive datasets. Even now, look at AI and ethics. As AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, ethical dilemmas arise. How do we navigate the ethical challenges posed by AI? We must establish clear ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment. Transparency, accountability, and responsible AI practices are crucial to ensure AI benefits society without causing harm. However, as AI becomes more integrated into society, it raises profound ethical questions. From bias in algorithms to autonomous weapons, we must grapple with the moral dilemmas AI presents. Ensuring AI systems are developed and deployed ethically is paramount. We need to address biases, protect user privacy, and design AI with clear guidelines and regulations to safeguard society's interests. AI and the future. The future is brimming with possibilities as AI continues to evolve. What will our society look like with the continued advancement of AI? The potential of AI is awe-inspiring. We can expect further breakthroughs in healthcare, transportation, education, and more. But we must be proactive in shaping policies that ensure AI's benefits are widespread and shared by all. As we conclude our exploration of AI's impact on society, it's evident that AI is an unparalleled tool that can improve our lives in ways we couldn't have imagined before. However, the responsibility lies with all of us to use AI responsibly, ethically, and inclusively to create a better future for humanity. Thank you for joining us on this thought-provoking journey through the impact of AI on society. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let's stay connected as we navigate the fascinating world of AI together. Until next time.